Hi guys! Okay, I'm gonna start again. Hi guys, my name is Christian and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special video and this is for the people and for the kids. Maybe if you're in college or maybe if you're in school or on high school and if you want to improve your letter sign. So this is the right video and you have to watch it. Okay guys, first of all, if you're not subscribed, please smash the red button below this video, or maybe if you go to my channel in the principal page, you're gonna find a red button that says subscribe. So you gotta smash it. So you wanna smash it and then you're subscribed and you don't have to pay for it. So guys, also what you're gonna do is comment down below this video if you like it, and comment down below in this video what you want me to do the next time of another video, and also like this video. Okay guys, as I told you and as you know in the title you read, today I'm going to be showing you and teaching you how to improve your letter sign. So let's get started. Guys, I'm going to start with an exercise, and this exercise consists that you've got to make like circles on like here, it without standing off the line. I'm doing it really wrong right now because, like, you know, I'm with the cell phone. I am holding the cell phone. Also, you can do another one that could be this one. You have to practice this every day until you get the way that you want to write. If you want to get like this, Sanislo. Okay, I'm not writing it good, but okay guys. Okay, there's another exercise. It's the same, but I'm gonna show you a way to do another way to do it, like circles and triangles. Look at this. Circles and triangles. Circles and triangles. Circles and triangles. Circles and triangles. Okay? Okay guys, the next exercise you're going to have to do is that you're gonna have to make this, like, you're gonna have to improve your writing skills, like doing this with your hands and with your fingers. You're gonna move them, you're gonna drag them, you're gonna stretch them a little bit, because maybe you could get hurt, and I don't want you to get hurt. Okay, you're gonna stretch them. You're gonna do it like this. When you wake up, like maybe you do it like this. I do like this sometimes. You can scratch them also. You can crack them, like, you know, not cracking like with the to crack an egg, like cracking, like doing this, you know, like this, like stretching, like, you know, and it sounds, it makes a sound when you do it like this. So this will help you to move and improve your writing skills when you move the pencil or the pen. Okay guys, let's move on to another exercise. Here I got another way, like, you know, another exercise is that what you gotta do is, like, you know that the letters are like circles, so it is gonna improve you. No, it's not gonna improve. It's gonna be making easy your writing skills, because you got, if you want to do the A, if you want to write the A, you're gonna do like this. Look, like a circle, and then you put like a little tail at the end of it, like a little tail. L, if you want to do the L, it's like a little just stick. The F, it's like normal as you do it. A, and again, a circle, and then just a little T that goes hanging out. A, alphabet. The B, that is just a circle and just a little stick in this side. And also alphabet. O. The A, the E, you gotta do like here, this, sorry for cutting the video, like this, and then you do like this. And then the T, and the O, that it's just... Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And so, subscribe. More than nothing, you've got to subscribe for more videos that I've got to do. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye, and stay tuned to my other videos, to my before videos, and so watch them and comment down below and like them and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Now remember to click on the little bell to the notification.